Before I start, I displayed here all the ingredients that you need. This is what is called celery root. Is the root of the celery plant. See, this is celery and this is celery root, and it's very healthy because it has lots of minerals, and in the winter, especially in the winter, it's very good to eat roots. So I cut a piece of this one. So you buy a big one and you use it for many other soups, or you can even make a salad with it, which I'm gonna show in a future video. So I cut a chunk of it, and it's gonna flavor the soup very nicely. Then we have here leeks. So I just cut one leek with its green leaves, and I had to open it like this and wash it very well because it has lots of dirt and you have to clean it well. And then we have a bell pepper and carrots, and this is the base. We're gonna need a few. And you forgot the onion. Oh, thank you, Zoe. Yes, you have to use an onion as well. Zoe is my assistant. And where is the potato? See, no potato. Yeah, where's my head, Zoe? Where's my head? We also need a big potato that I just peeled, because this is gonna make our soup creamy. Since we're not gonna add sour cream or any other kind of cream, we need something to make our soup creamy. So this is what's gonna do the job. So for now, this is all I need. In all the soups that I'm making, I always use carrot, bell pepper, celery or celery root, and onion. So this, for me, this is the base of all soups. This particular soup doesn't need me to chop to finally chop the vegetables, because I'm gonna cut them in big chunks and just boil it, and then in the end I'm gonna mash it with immersing mixer. So for now I'm just gonna cut all these in big chunks, as I said, and put them all in a pot. These are already cut, and I'm gonna cut the rest. The leeks taste like onion, but they are not that sharp, so they have a mild taste. This soup is gonna be full of minerals and vitamins. So this is all. I just gonna put some water on it and I'm gonna boil them. I'm adding a little salt. And later, if we need more, we can add more. I also have oil here, but I'm just gonna add it in the end. We add as much water as to cover the vegetables, about 3/4 of water. Now that the vegetables are boiled, we can continue with making the creamy soup. I take out some of the water because I want the soup to be thick. In case I need more water, I add it. If not, I will just drink it as a tea. Next, we're gonna mash it with the immersing mixer. You can also use the blender, but I find this method faster. So this is my soup. I'm gonna put it, transfer it in a different pot. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna make croutons. So I cut a few slices of bread in small cubes like this. If you have a day-old bread, is even better. This is too fresh, but it's gonna be perfect anyway. We can cut a few slices of brown bread. I'm gonna infuse some of the oil that I will use for baking. I'm gonna infuse it with garlic and salt. And why not? I'm gonna put some pepper. So here are my croutons. They're dry and ready to eat in the soup. So this is my cream soup, to which I'm gonna add a few croutons. And if you are not a vegan, you can add some cheddar cheese, cream and butter and whatnot. Enjoy!